Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. Almost forgot the name of my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over Crossing Cincinnatis. So if you saw my video recently that I posted on crossing drawbacks, I would watch that one first before doing this one because crossing drawbacks would help to know before you begin crossing Cincinnatis, because a crossing Cincinnati is just a crossing drawback pretty much. So Cincinnati, also if you don't know Cincinnati, go ahead and find that video in my tap step tutorials playlist in the description box below. Watch that first, learn a Cincinnati, and then come back to learn a crossing Cincinnati. So Cincinnatis, I like to usually do the crossing version with 2 singles back and then crossing on the third. So if we were to start that, we're going to start with a spank. Usually Cincinnatis tend to start with a spank. Sometimes they would start with a drawback or start with it right into the shuffle. I don't know. I've never really heard that one before, but I'm going to start with a spank. So you're going to go spank, heel, shuffle, and then drawback on the right, spank, heel, shuffle, drawback on the left. Let's give that a try here. So starting with your right foot, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback, shuffle, heel, drawback. Here's the one that you're going to cross with. So you're going to go shuffle, heel, and then you're going to go into a crossing drawback here, calling it crossing Cincinnati just because you get into it with a Cincinnati, with a shuffle. So you're going to go shuffle, heel, drawback here, 1, and then you're going to do 2 more just to kind of round it out, 2 and 3. And then this spank here that you just used, spank heel, is going to use to get your Cincinnati into the left side. Now you're going to go left side, Cincinnati left, right. So we're going back to those 2 singles that we started with. And then here's the one that you're going to cross on. This is number 3. So you're going to go shuffle, heel, cross, unwind. And then you would just keep going with this. Single, single, shuffle, heel, drawback, 1 more here, shuffle, over, back. Okay, so it's all, it's mostly just a cross on the drawback, but you're using a Cincinnati to get into it. So let me show you front view of this so that you can kind of see what's going on in the front here with my feet. So starting on the right foot, you have spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback, shuffle, heel, drawback, shuffle, cross over, back, back. 1 more left side, right side, shuffle, cross over, back, and back. Okay. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion, please let me know down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new songs for my tap dance choreography tutorials. And if you have a step that you would like me to break down, let me know down in the comments below as well, and I will try to get to it as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.